तथायां हस्तौ च कर्मसु मनस्तव पादयोर्नः मृत्यां शिरस्तव निवास जगत्प्रणामे दृष्टिस्ततां दर्शनेस्तु भवत्तनूनाम् नमो भगवते तस्मै कृष्णायाद्भुतकर्मणे.
A very good morning to one and all present here for this Chairman's Trophy 2016, the 10th edition of the Chairman's Trophy 2016. Most revered chief guest of the day, Mr. Adhav Arjuna, a national player, graduated from MCC, is playing almost for 21 years basketball, and his favorite game is basketball, and he has created an academy, Arise Steel Academy, and he has produced many national and international players who are representing our country. And also in the corporate sector, I would say that he is the highest job provider for the basketball players and other sports. He runs an academy known as the Arise Steel Academy, and the students of various colleges and in the state, they play there, and they have a good track record playing international and national level. Sir, it is our honor that you are here with us, and to start or inaugurate the 2016 10th edition of Chairman's Trophy. I, on behalf of the college, my secretary, and the students and the staff, welcome you, sir. I also welcome our secretary and my godfather, Shri P. Haridas ji, who never says no, and in particular to sports. We have seen, and it is proved by the big and a vast sports complex that has been developed in our college. The basketball court, the volleyball court, and the international level indoor stadium that has been created shows how much he concentrates on sports, particularly in our college. Vaishnav College was not known for many years. Now we have earmarked a place in the Chennai as well as in the state, and it is because of him. Sir, I welcome you, sir, on behalf of the Chairman's Trophy 2016. I also welcome the members of the sports committee, the staff members of various departments, the physical directors from various institutions, the coaches, the referees who have come here, are fully supportive to us. And finally, I welcome all the students, all the sports persons, men and women, who have assembled here, both from Chennai city as well as from the districts. I welcome you all, because this could be possible. The Chairman's Trophy could be possible only because of the representation and your participation. In sports, it is not winning or losing. It is participation which is more important, and I'm really happy that we have more than 59 teams of men and women participating in this event, mega event. And we are celebrating our 10th year, a decade of this tournament, and I'm sure that this will continue in the future years to come. And when I discussed with Mr. Arjuna, he has given us various suggestions as to how Dwarakadas Govardhan Das Vaishnav College could be the best in the arena of sports. With these words, I welcome one and all once again for this mega event. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Dr. S. Selvaraju, the Controller of Examinations, will now honor him with a garland. Next up, we have Anna Adarsh. Followed by Bishop College, Bishop Heber. We have with us next CWC College. Salaman College for Women. Now we have SDNB, Vaishnav College. Next up is Stella Maris College. Now we have Vivekananda College. Once more, we have another PSG entry. Wow, they look in tip-top shape for basketball, don't they? Followed by Sindhi College, Chennai. Then we have... Yeah, that was the final entrant. First off, we have M. Vignesh from 2nd BA Economics, who will lead the torch run. He is an SGFI University Junior National and Senior National Kho-Kho player. He has also represented the Indian team. Now, Nagasoti of 1st BA Economics has taken the torch. She is an international level carom player who has been a part of the Indian team that will participate in a tournament to be held in the Maldives. Finally, the torch has been handed to Akash from 3rd BA Economics. He is an AS basketball player, having won the gold and bronze medals at the All India level.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks for this opportunity for college secretary and principal sir. And I'm welcoming all players. Focus the matches. So winning and losing is participation is must actually. So wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
I am Major Dr. M. Venkatramanan, Principal, Dwarakadas Govardhandas Vaishnav College. The Salmon Trophy that Vaishnav College is conducting had been started 10 years before, Initially, it was started with a small scale with the schools and the colleges, but later on we decided that this tournament should be for the college students alone, and particularly the Arts and Science College. And this is the 10th year that we are celebrating this sports event. Initially, it was only the trophies that were given, but from last year onwards, we have prize money for each and every event. The first prize is 10,000 rupees, the second prize is 7,000 rupees, and the third prize is 5,000 rupees. And this year, being the 10th year, we have more than 59 teams participating from Chennai and from the districts of Tamil Nadu. I'm really proud that this event has become a mega event, and in the years to come, I'm sure that it will go further higher and higher, and there will be more representation. I'm also happy to inform you that this year, one of our students, Mohan Kumar, is representing the Olympics at Rio in the 400 into 400 meters relay, and also we have won various national level, international and national championships. Thank you.